Hello, welcome to our classes. I'm Dr. K. Misra. This video tutorial is on teaching aptitude. This is part 22. Now come to the question. Question number 1. For a teacher, which one of the following methods would be correct for writing on the blackboard? A. Writing fast and as clearly as possible. B. Writing the matter first and then asking students to read it. C. Asking a question to students and then writing the answer as stated by them. C. Writing the important points as clearly as possible. In fact, this myself I adopted. This is the correct option. D. Writing the important points as clearly as possible. 2. Dynamic approach to teaching means A. Teaching should be forceful and effective. B. Teachers should be energetic and dynamic. C. The topics of teaching should not be static but dynamic. D. The students should be required to learn through activities. Here, correct option is D. 3. If you get an opportunity to teach a visually challenged student along with the normal students, what type of treatment would you like to give him in the class? A. Not giving them extra attention because majority may suffer. B. Take care of him sympathetically in the classroom. C. You will think that blindness is his destiny and hence you cannot do anything. D. Arrange a seat in the front row and try to teach at a pace convenient to him. The correct option is D. 4. Which of the following does not belong to a projected aid? A. Overhead projector. B. Blackboard. C. Epidascope. D. Slide projector. The correct option is B. Blackboard. 5. A teacher can be successful if he or she A. Helps students in becoming better citizens. B. Imparts subject knowledge to students. C. Prepares students to pass the examination. D. Presents the subject matter in a well organized manner. The correct option is D. 6. When some students are deliberately attempting to disturb the discipline of the class by making mischief, what will your role as a teacher? What will be your role as a teacher? A. Explain those students. B. Isolate those students. C. Reform the group with your authority. D. Giving them an opportunity for introspection and improve their behavior. The correct option is D. Giving them an opportunity for introspection and improve their behavior. 7. By which of the following methods the true evaluation of the students is possible? A. Evaluation at the end of the course. B. Evaluation twice a year. C. Continuous evaluation. Or D. Formative evaluation. Here correct option is C. Continuous evaluation, because improvement actually does not take place at one go. Improvement is brought only as a result of continuous process of evaluation and improvement. So evaluation should be continuous so that improvement takes place bit by bit in a progressive manner. 8. A teacher is said to be fluent in asking questions if he can ask A. Meaningful questions. B. As many questions as possible. C. Maximum number of questions in a fixed time. D. Many meaningful questions in a fixed time. The correct option is D. Many meaningful questions in a fixed time. 9. For maintaining an effective discipline in the class, the teacher should A. Allow students to do what they like. B. Deal with the students strictly. C. Give the students some problems to solve. Or D. Deal with them politely and firmly. The correct option is D. Deal with them politely and firmly. 10. Those teachers are popular among students who A. Develop intimacy with them. B. Help them solve the problems. C. Award good grades. Or D. Take classes on extra tuition fee. The correct option is B. Help them solve their problems. 11. On the first day of his class, if a teacher is asked by the students to introduce himself, he should A. Ask them to meet after the class. B. Tell them about himself in brief. C. Ignore the demand and start teaching. They scold the students for his unwanted demand. The correct option is D. Tell them about himself in brief. In fact, that is the right question by the students, and class expects it. So a better way is that before you start your lecturing on the topic or discussing on the topic with the students, is to introduce yourself if they are new to you, they are new audience to you. 12. Suppose a student wants to share his problem with his teacher and he visits teacher's house for the purpose. The teacher should A. Contact the student's parents and solve his problem. B. Suggest him that he should never visit his house. C. Suggest him to meet the principal and solve the problem. D. Extend reasonable help and boost his morale. The correct option is D. Extend reasonable help and boost his morale. 13. Which of the following belongs to a projected aid? Epidioscope. In fact, this is a kind of projected aid, so this is correct. C. 14. Which of the following qualities is most essential for a teacher? A. He should be a learned person. B. He should be a well-dressed person. C. He should have patience. D. He should be an expert in his subject. One of the most essential is that he should be having patience. So correct option is C. 15. An effective teaching aid is one which A. is colorful and good looking. B. Activates all faculties. C. Is visible to all students. D. Easy to prepare and use. The correct option is B. Activates all faculties. 16. The essence of an effective classroom environment is A. A variety of teaching aids. B. Lively student-teacher interaction. C. Pin drop silence. D. Strict discipline. The correct option is B. Lively student-teacher interaction. 17. Moral values can be effectively inculcated among the students when the teacher A. frequently talks about values. B. himself practices them. Or C. tells stories of great persons. D. talks of gods and goddesses. Correct option is B. himself practices them. 18. A successful teacher is one who is A. compassionate and disciplinarian. B. quiet and reactive. C. tolerant and dominating. Or D. passive and active. The correct option is C. tolerant and dominating. 19. Which one of the following is the most important quality of a good teacher? A. punctuality and sincerity. B. content mastery. C. content mastery and reactive. D. content mastery and sociable. The correct option is B. content mastery. 20. The most important quality of a good teacher is A. sound knowledge of the subject matter. B. good communication skills. C. concern for students' welfare. D. effective leadership qualities. The correct option is B. good communication skills. 21. The primary responsibility of the teacher's adjustment lies with A. the children. B. the principal. C. the teacher himself. D. the community. The correct option is C. the teacher himself. 22. Suppose the teachers are busy in cracking filthy jokes and you are also there, but you are unable to stop them. You should. The correct option is A. persuade them decently not to waste their time in filthy jokes. 23. Research has shown that the most frequent symptom of nervous instability among teachers is A. digestive upsets. B. explosive behavior. C. fatigue. Or D. worry. Correct option is B. explosive behavior. 24. Which of the following is not a characteristic of a good achievement test? Correct option is C. ambiguity. 25. For a teacher, which of the following methods would be correct for writing on the blackboard? Correct option is D here, writing the important points as clearly as possible. In fact, some of these questions are repeated one from the previous videos. 26. Dynamic approach to teaching means, correct option is D, the students should be required to learn through activities. 27. If you get an opportunity to teach a visually challenged student along with normal students, what type of treatment would you like to give him in the class? Correct option is D here. Arrange a seat in the front row and try to teach at pace convenient to him. 28. Which of the following does not belong to projected aid? Blackboard is one of the examples, so correct option is B. 29. A teacher can be successful if he or she, correct option is D, presents the subject matter in a well organized manner. 30. By which of the following methods the true evaluation of the students is possible? Continuous evaluation. Correct option is C. So this was all about this particular visit. I hope that you have liked it. If you liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel or classes and press the bell button and pass on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of